Hello, today I'll be showing the integration and workflow between Endace and our Fusion technology partner Cisco and Cisco Secure Solutions. For this demo, we have Cisco Secure Firewall Threat Defense Virtual running on my Endace probes as a hosted application, detecting threats in IDS mode in real time and performing threat investigations through the Threat Defense Management Center interface. Endace probes are providing always-on packet capture across my entire network, giving me comprehensive network forensics for my security analysts for in-depth threat investigations or threat hunting activity. For this demo, we'll be simulating malware that has triggered some CNC command and control activity on the network against some of my IoT medical devices on a specific subnet. Admins are no longer able to log into the affected devices, as the threat has managed to change the admin passwords to those devices. Faced with the daunting physical visit to every device to manually factory reset, SecOps teams turns to the packet history to see if it can help solve the problem. You will see how an analyst can detect the attack and quickly investigate and remediate. Starting with the Cisco Threat Defense Management Center interface, we have a dashboard view of all the top attackers and intrusion events coming through this network's ingress point. We see the top target IP addresses and total event count by application protocol. We see that we had a critical intrusion event in the past hour with a large count of these events. We click on this spike to learn more about the situation. We quickly see that Firewall Threat Defense has detected a variant of Trojan Mirai malware that has several hundred instances of it on this IDS. We can quickly see the details of this instance, including source and destination IP address, the traffic type, and the rule in place that triggered to find this event. The event provides limited packet information, basically only telling us that the attacker tried to log in to the devices with the administrator user and password. From here, we can pivot directly to Endace Vision to get much more detailed information on all of the network packet data so we can fully determine what exactly happened. From Endace Vision, we focus on this source-destination IP pairing. Endace provides a number of filtering options, including by application, by port, by VLAN, and even MAC address, to name a few. But we want to look at all the traffic happening in both directions, so we can adjust the filter with a directionless IP view for these two systems. From the conversations frame and the traffic frame, we can see the number of sessions, length of connections, and the amount of bits transferred back and forth. And we also see that all the traffic was of HTTP application type of data. We also see this suspicious IP address has connected to several nodes in our environment, giving us a clear picture of all the other systems that have communicated with this rogue IP. Endace probes have Wireshark built into each appliance, so we can open Wireshark on the probe to drill into the packet level data. We want to focus on the HTTP traffic, and we see the HTTP post exchanges have the login to the IoT device itself, where in the HTTP protocol form fields, we see our valid admin user and password. As we move to the next larger frame post, we learn the device is now in the configuration mode form, where the malware is reconfiguring the device and changing the password. It's being reset to, "I have you now." We now have concrete, actionable information that allows us to quickly script and regain control of all of our compromised IoT devices. Since the CNC-driven password reset occurred before we were aware of the issue, obtaining this information would have been impossible if not for always-on packet capture as provided by the Endace probes. An investment in packet-level history has clearly paid off here, saving a huge amount of labor that would have been required for factory resets. Plus, being able to rapidly regain control of our critical network devices is business critical for our hospital campus. In summary, you have seen how quickly we can detect and fully investigate a threat using the integration with Cisco Secure Firewall and Endace solutions. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thank you for watching.